Hey guys, I'm confused. Which is better, La1s or Redmi Note 3?
Yes, we know, and many others are confused too.
So we are working on it. Starting off with build quality, LETV LE1 is having this box sort of a design, and it is having those chamfered edges which looks quite premium. And for the price tag of 11,000 rupees, this device actually looks quite premium, and the build quality is top notch. And you also get a Corning Gorilla Glass protection on top.
Even though the boxy design is good, or you can say good looking, the curvy design which is present on the Redmi Note 3 is better to hold in hand. So whenever you are trying to hold a device, it's better to hold this curvy design as compared to the boxy design. But still, Redmi Note 3 is a little more slippery as compared to LE1s in my opinion. But not only this, both these phones have amazing buttons and tactile feedback is really good. So even if you press button with one hand, or obviously everyone presses buttons with one hand, tactile feedback is very good, and it doesn't have any major issues.
Although you should not forget that Redmi Note 3 is just having a laminated glass, and this device is having a Corning Gorilla Glass.
Even though Xiaomi's video shows that this glass can handle too many things, but it is not Gorilla Glass 3, so it's no good. At least for people, whenever you go and read the description of a phone, or whenever you read specs, if it's not mentioned Corning Gorilla Glass 3, it will
people will have a bad impression.
Yeah, that's what.
Like display पे scratch आ जाएगा.
People won't come to know immediately that this device is good even after not having Corning Gorilla Glass 3 or something like that.
Now talking about gaming on both the devices, LETV LE1s is having a Helio X10 processor which can handle gaming very well. I had no issues playing games on the LETV LE1s. It had no lags, no frame drops, nothing. Although one issue with this device is that it does get quite warm after 10 to 15 minutes of gameplay, which I think is not happening on the Redmi Note 3.
So Redmi Note 3 has a hexa-core Snapdragon 650 processor, and both these phones have 3GB of RAM. Gaming on this device is also very smooth, except for one game, that is Nova 3, where we faced issues like frame drops, but it was not like major. But the good thing about Redmi Note 3 is that it doesn't get as warm as LETV LE1s does. So after you use your phone for 20 minutes, Redmi Note 3 won't be that warm, and it will be like little comfortable to hold in hand. But LE1s gets very warm, but it does not affect the gaming performance even after that. So that's a good thing about the Helio X10 processor on the LE1s.
So as we know, gaming performance is quite good on both the devices, and both the devices have quite a good processor and 3GB of RAM. So performance on both the devices is quite good in terms of day-to-day usage. I had no issues on the LETV LE1s. Even switching between applications was not an issue on this LETV LE1s. Although I would say that this device gets quite a bit warm after 10 to 15 minutes of usage. Like if you use or you browse or you watch videos, it gets warm after 10 to 15 minutes.
And when it comes to Redmi Note 3, day-to-day life performance is very good, buttery smooth. Multitasking is also good, same as LE1s. But the good thing is this device does not get warm. Obviously, in gaming, both these devices get warm, and when we are talking about day-to-day life performance, it's like normal warm which you will feel on your hand, but it's not like a huge temperature like 40 degrees or something like that.
More than 40, it is definitely below 40 to 43 degrees. Now talking about the camera, this device is having a 13 megapixel camera, and it can shoot 4K videos. Although before the software update, the camera performance was not that great on the LETV LE1s, but after the recent update, the performance has surely improved, and in low lighting situations, LETV LE1s performs comparatively better to the Redmi Note 3. So yes, low lighting performance is quite good on the LETV LE1s, and even in outdoors, both the devices perform really well. But when it comes to front-facing cameras and taking selfie, it really struggles, and I don't really like the front-facing camera of the LETV LE1s, which is not as good as Redmi Note 3.
So Redmi Note 3 has 16 megapixel camera and LE1s has 13 megapixel camera. But this is a prime example that megapixels do not matter, because when it is a good lighting condition, both these cameras click comparable pictures, I would say, or almost similar. It's just that low lighting performance of the LE1s is
slightly better.
So that's the case. And both these devices have ISOCELL sensor, which is made by Samsung, and the same sensor is present in OnePlus X. which clicks amazing pictures. Let it be low light or good light, let it be any conditions, OnePlus X clicks good pictures, and that has happened after software update. So we hope that LE or La Eco and Xiaomi does something with the software updates
update
and fixes the camera, and it can be improved more. And yes, both these cameras have a lot of capabilities.
Yes, definitely. So yeah, that was the first part of the comparison between the LETV LE1S and the Redmi Note 3, and the second part will be uploaded on his channel. The link for the same will be in the description down below, and you can also see a card popping up on the top over my head over here. You can see a card. So yeah, just click on it and watch the second part of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe to his channel. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Instagram, Snapchat. All the links will be in the description down below. This is Saurabh Nahar here from All About Technologies. Thank you guys for watching. And yeah, not to forget, Redmi Note 3 is not having any glass protection
At
on
least
top, I guess.
they
They just
not-
say that it is having a
glass.
No, they are saying that it is
Dragon
having...
tail.
No. They are saying laminated glass.
Okay, feasible.
आप ऐसे बोलते हैं
हाँ. And not only this, both these phones. Whereas Redmi Note 3 gets very warm, but it does not.
Redmi Note-
But L1S gets very warm, but it does